There are three sub questions to it. If the ratio of the sum of n terms of two AP is 7n upon 1, 7n plus 1 is to 4n plus 27, find the ratio of the mth terms. See here, understand what is given. Sum of the n terms means the ratio is of the sum, and then what we want, ratio of the mth term, some other m term. Okay. So AP1 is to AP2, that's what the question is. So SN1 upon SN2 equals to 7n plus 1 upon 4n plus 27, right? Therefore, that is SN1 means what? N upon 2 into 2A1 plus n minus 1 into D1, the whole upon n upon 2 into 2A2 plus n minus 1 into D2 equals to this same, right hand side remains the same. Therefore, n upon 2 gets cancelled. What remains? 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 upon 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2 equals to 7n plus 1 upon 4n plus 27. So, now we have to find here. Why have we done all this thing? Because remember what we want, ratio of the mth term. And how a term is given? Term is given like this, a plus n minus 1 into d. Instead of n it will be m now. That's the only difference. So let n equals to 2m minus 1. Why have we taken this 2m minus 1? Because if you put it over here 2m minus 1, then what happens? 2m minus 1 means 2m minus 2. So 2 can be taken as common from everywhere. So the terms become different. Okay. And then we get the mth term. Right. That's what we want. So 2a1 plus 2m minus 1 into d1 upon same 2a2 plus 2m minus 1 into d2, right? This is what this left hand side becomes now, equals to n is over here, instead of n we are putting 2m minus 1 equals to 7m into 2m minus 1 plus 1 upon 4 into 2m minus 1 plus 27. Getting it? See here, we are replacing everywhere n by 2m minus 1. Okay, so therefore 2a1 LHS we are solving now. 2a1 plus 2 into m minus 1 into d1 upon 2a2 plus 2 into m minus 1 into d2 equals to RHS now. 7 to the 14 minus 7 plus 1, so 14m minus 7 plus 1 upon 8m minus 4 plus 27 equals to 14m minus 6 upon 8m plus 23. So RHS is now constant, keep it as it is. And now focus on left hand side. So take 2 common now. 2 into a1 plus m minus 1 into d upon a2 plus m minus 1 into d2, right? And RHS as it is, 14m minus 6 upon 8m plus 23. Okay, 2 gone. But what is this? a1 plus m minus 1 into d1, that is tm1. And what is it? This lower denominator? tm2. Therefore tm1 upon tm2 equals to 14m minus 6 upon 8m plus 23. That is the required answer, because we want what? Ratio of the mth term. Okay. See, the critical point in this is this, n equals to 2m minus 1. This is what you have to understand. This comes through practice.